Ken needed to buy a new car, but didn't like the normal process. Then he went to Bozard Ford Lincoln. Ken was amazed by their incredible customer service. He was treated like a person with real wants and needs. In addition to over 800 available vehicles and incredible prices, Bozard made the experience fun with table tennis games, Rockstar Friday events, and freshly baked cookies in the showroom. Bozard Ford Lincoln knows how to have a good time. Plus, we have a live showroom webcam on our website, so you can always see what fun things are happening. Plus, they host an annual rock and roll bash to benefit the Boys and Girls Clubs of St. Augustine. Bozard Ford Lincoln is community-oriented because when you work together, everything is better. Visit Bozard Ford Lincoln today and see why we are the most reviewed automotive dealer in the world ever. Bozard Ford Lincoln, a different car shopping experience where you are #1.